Hi everyone, this is an important course announcement about academic integrity and plagiarism and AI use. So this is going to be one of those not real fun announcements. I'm going to be very clear so that there's absolutely no confusion later on when you're doing all these assignments. Academic misconduct. Academic misconduct is anything that compromises the integrity of the learning process. That includes cheating on assignments or exams, unauthorized collaboration, fabricating or falsifying information, and plagiarism in any form. And what students don't realize is they can plagiarize themselves, they can plagiarize work from previous classes, they can plagiarize online. If you don't use your citations, that is plagiarism. So plagiarism means using someone else's work, ideas, or words without proper attribution. That includes direct plagiarisms, copying word for word, self-plagiarism, using your old work without permission, mosaic plagiarism, stitching together phrases or ideas from sources without credit, and of course, accidental plagiarism, which is still plagiarism, which is just failing to cite correctly. Still counts, even if you didn't mean to. Now, the AI policy for this course is a very straightforward rule. Using AI tools to generate, write, or complete your assignments is plagiarism, unless I explicitly tell you it's allowed. Now, AI is wonderful. It's a wonderful tool. But if you just take my prompt, put it in AI, you generate garbage. And we've told you in the syllabus, if you generate that garbage, you're probably going to get an F or D on it because it reads like garbage. It doesn't have your personal background. It doesn't have your beliefs. It doesn't tie to anything you know. It looks like and reads like it's written by an 8th grader with no life experience. So you may not use AI to write your essays or your discussion board posts, generate answers for the exams or assignments, or paraphrase AI-generated content and present it as your own. If you turn in AI written works as if it's your writing, that is a violation of the school's plagiarism policies. Write your work, then use AI to make it better. Use the tool appropriately and don't be stupid with it. I love AI. I think it should be used. I think you should learn how to use it. You just need to use it appropriately. Don't put in garbage, take out garbage, and then expect me to grade it. Put in your work, make it better, and become a stronger student that understands more things. There is zero tolerance policies here. The course has a zero tolerance policy. The first offense, you will earn a 0 on this assignment. The second offense, you will earn a 0 for the entire course if you plagiarize. I'm not saying that to be dramatic. I'm saying it because I want expectations to be very clear. If you're unsure, always ask first. If you're ever unsure about whether something counts as plagiarism or whether a tool is allowed, ask me before you submit. A quick question can save you a major problem later. So do your own work, cite your sources, and protect your education. Have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.